Hello my dear students, welcomes you again on my YouTube channel iBioWorld. Today we discuss about class 11th topic biological classification. Biological classification is the scientific practice where we give name and identification of the organism. So we studied about biological classification and the branches deals with classification are called taxonomy and systematics. So advantages of classification are classification make our study easy and understand by relationship between various organisms. It helps in specific identification of various organisms. So and also we know about organisms geographical location, its occurrence and its nature, where they live, what habitat they prefer. So we studied biological classification. Earlier time there is no rule and regulation for identifying organism. Later on Aristotle give the classification that is basis on plant and animals. Two kingdom classification. Plant are divided into three groups: trees, herbs and shrubs on their size, and animals on the basis of with RBC and without RBC. But it is not sufficient to identify many organisms. Later on Linnaeus also introduced two kingdom classification in 1758, plant and animal kingdom. These classification are based on artificial classification because they take some characters, visual characters, not whole characters, not natural characters, where they but only some visible characters, adopt and classified them into two groups, that is plant and animal. And later on Ernst Haeckel think the microorganism where we put in animal or plant, so they termed protista and produce three kingdom classification: protista, plantae and animalia. And after that many scientists think about, and the time work goes, and later on Copeland introduced four kingdom classification. What is new in this classification? There is one kingdom added, that is Monera, because we have many type of microorganism, unicellular microorganism. They are defined as with nucleus, without nucleus. So protista is the introduced by Haeckel. There is microorganism placed, but there is not differentiation take place which microorganism has no nucleus and with nucleus. So Copeland 1966 decided to create a new kingdom, that is Monera are placed. In Monera prokaryotic organisms are placed in there. So protista has unicellular eukaryotic and Monera is prokaryotic unicellular. And after that this classification is going on, and later on 1969, after 3 years, R.H. Whittaker introduced five kingdom classification, because in Copeland's classification is not defined some organism are that. So saprophytic nutrition means they are dependent on dead and decaying material where we put. How can we study of them? So R.H. Whittaker introduced kingdom fungi. In their five kingdom classification, all the four are similar as Copeland's classification, but there is new individual added in Whitaker's classification, that is fungi. Monerans are prokaryotic, Protistians are eukaryotic unicellular, but fungi are unicellular and multicellular also. But they show a characteristic feature, that is saprophytic nutrition. So it is defined as all the kingdoms, and plants show autotrophic nutrition because they are not dependent on other for nutrition, and animal are depend on others, so they called heterotrophic nutrition. And later on something time the time is slowly goes, and after that was introduced a new type of classification, that is sixth kingdom classification. In this no change, but something is changed. What? The monerans is divided into two groups, that is archaebacteria and eubacteria. Archaebacteria, they live in very harsh habitat, as in extreme conditions, high temperature, very low temperature, and hot streams, they survive. So they are called archaebacteria, means old day bacteria. Archaeology relate करिए वहां से, old day bacteria, so it is called archaebacteria. Eubacteria means they have flagella, they motile, and they are found, they have cell wall, so they are called eubacteria. Eu means true bacteria. So this is the classification of whose given in 2006 kingdom. This R.S. Whitaker and whose classification based on natural classification, because of natural classification includes all characters. All characters are included in natural classification. R.S. Whitaker, whose they are these classification based on natural classification. I hope my dear students you all understand nicely this topic. This is the introduction of biological classification. Later on we discuss about five kingdom classification, Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae separately. So please, if you like my video, please put like button and comment in comment box, and also subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new on my channel. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.